Well, greetings interwebs. Today I'm going to go to a neighbor's house, get some plants for the yard. One of the neighbors had posted on Facebook that she had some plants that she wanted to get out of her flower beds because she put other stuff in and wanted to know if anybody knew what's involved in getting them dug up, how hard is it, or is it even possible? It's a root ball, like that kind of stuff. So I responded, and I just happened to mention, hey, if you're going to get rid of them, I'd be happy to come take them. And she's, yeah, sure, come get them. Cool. Well, it's been raining the last few days, so I couldn't go. So I said, okay, well, Wednesday morning, because today is sunny. However, it's literally freezing today. It's 32. It's now it's up to 36. So yeah, nice warm, freezing January morning in Florida. Add to that, my truck's still in the shop. My daughter has class all day, so couldn't use her truck. My son was going to come in his truck, and he messaged late last night, said he couldn't make it. So I'm going to take the seats out of the van and try it that way. Well, stand by. And here we go. It's been a while since I had an adventure in the van. Well, this actually works out better than I thought. I'm here to get a yucca, and that's it. And he said, well, there's also a sago palm, a twin sago palm. They want me to get that as well. Cool. So yeah, getting the yucca, that's a given. But I didn't know about the sago. I get them both. Cool. Well, I got them. Whew, that was harsh. Had to get the homeowner to give me a hand with that sago. I didn't know I was getting the sago. I thought I was just getting the yucca. Which yucca has nothing to it. It's not very heavy at all. The sago, yeah, it's a very densely packed kind of plant. Weighs a lot. But it's done. It's over. Get them to the house. Catch my breath. Get them planted. See you there. they're done. I had this little Japanese plum. It was sitting in a pot. Been sitting there for a while. I just hadn't gotten around to planting it because I didn't really have a place for it. Now I do. So there we go. These will look nice in the front corner. Go along with the things in this front corner. Kind of a bookend. Okay, well, I'm exhausted. I'm out of breath. And I need to go drink some water, sit and rest for a little while. Then I got to clean out the van, put the seats back in it. But for now, landscaping's done. So, on that happy note, be seeing you.